This video is extremely inappropriate and has strong sexual references and themes. All profane words read aloud will be censored, but the text containing those words will not be. Proceed at your own risk.
Stockholm? Okay. Do you smell that? That's the soil stirring. I am almost psychotic. Just over the roll-top pines I have at home. I eat 2 fried squirrels from it weekly. I fear this is a part of an inner struggle I have. I think this has to go with the guilt I have for you. With this peaceful music. This is it. Please don't touch me after what just happened. My sweet angel is lying a yuckish sick on mommy. Please don't ever touch me after saying that. They're behind a boob-sucking pillow on purpose. Oh my god. I just got coerced into going into this woman's home and she's going to do bad things to me. Oh, I can go to bed. I forgot I can do that. Oh, check that out. You found a slice of Danny Williams. My reading is getting better. I'm getting better at reading. I'm gonna be a academic weapon here soon. Okay, let's talk to the freak lady. Up already, I see. I'm really desperate to sleep with you. See, okay, there it is, right there. I've been waiting for her to just say it because she's been like making nasty little references to me. I want to have sex with you. Please, no you don't. I want you in the living room and the bathroom. Like, no, you can't. I want you to scream my name over and over. I want you to be lost in the pleasure I am giving you. Nipples, please. Let's not discuss boobies though.
Give me my goddamn milk back.
So how about breakfast? You know what? How about that? How about breakfast? It takes a while to get a full belly. I'll be visiting my family from Greensboro this weekend. What is it? When can I go home? Exactly. I want to go home. I don't want to be around you. I don't want anything to do with what you want. Shoelaces. Listen to music? No, let me leave. I'll cook dinner later. Oh. She's gonna cook dinner later. This lady, dude, is like on another level of freakazoid. Let's go down in the basement. Oh. You wish to know how to return home, do you not? You're just a traveler in a strange land. Leave it to the missionaries. Then I'll adopt a dog later. Maybe this weekend if it isn't raining. It is really raining a lot. Lady, I just want to leave. You just threatened to have sex with me. So, and you immediately started talking about your ass as soon as I met you. So, I want to leave. That'd be very nice. Every human that falls down here meets the same fate. It changes their DNA. It needs to pass through the liver first. But that'll cost $20 million. And we don't have that money right now. We can't start talking about those demands yet. We need to save the boys for preschool. They need time to do the Lord's work. Then I'll become an angel. So she's talking about selling my liver on the black market. That's pretty much what she's saying. Do not try to stop me. I should have killed you. Oh. Yeah, see, look. So she's on some Dahmer stuff. You want to leave so badly? You're afraid. I'll lick your nipples if you are.
No, don't do it. No, don't do it.
No, ma'am, please don't. No, sir. Just to let you know, I am wearing your panties. No, you're not. Because joke's on you, I'm not wearing any. So let's get it on. No. I have fallen in love. No, you haven't. No, please. A weapon blocks the way. Why would she do that? Sleep only. Oh. Ooh. We Oh! I'll summon Oprah. Oh no, not Oprah, please. Spare. I'll hire her right out of her retirement. So she's gonna hire Oprah out of retirement. Just kidding. It's actually Louis Armstrong.
What a wonderful world.
Damn it, I wanted Oprah. It's because of Woodstock, Missouri. Oh no, not Woodstock. At Big Ridge State Park. Oh no. It's the small children. Yeah, we know you like small children, okay?
FBI, open up!
You don't gotta tell me that. There is constant danger. Yeah, for the kids. We must solve it. That's, yeah. Haha. Pathetic, is it not? How do people even run this country? This story is too weird. I agree. If you truly wish to leave the ruins of terror, please pause for reflection. Indonesia. Indonesia is your country. I thought I was from Korea. Whatever that says. What does that even say? Oh, and she touched me. You don't need to be touching me, lady. Oh, okay. I can leave now. Hopefully I don't encounter that gay f***ing flower telling me about his dick. I didn't even know flowers had dicks, so I don't even know why he was telling me about that. There he is. Clever. Very clever. Is that a fish? Is it a frog? Or maybe a bird? I don't know, but it's wearing a green hat. The weather was nice, though. The sun doesn't exist. Hee hee hee. Only drugs can solve this. Drugs in all of the places. I should do more drugs. Then I'll make you nut. No! No! And have every girl watch. It'll be a murder mystery. There will be pirates there too. So inspiring. Please pray for me. Just like my daughter. She's the best woman in the world. Only the devil is after her. This guy is truly evil. He's talking sexually to a kid, talking weird about his daughter. He wants pirates to watch him do bad things to me, also known as rated R things. Shut up. Yeah, I love playing shut up. Like, fuck you. Don't tell me to shut up. Sorry. That's what I thought. That's what I thought. Never say that again. Alright. It's so creepy. And it cracked. Alright. Oh no. I'm gonna get ripped. Human. Searles. Mac and cheese. Okay. Please say that's his hand. Oh, thank God. Haha. The old whoopee cushion in the hand trick. Oh, how I laughed. I beat my grandpa up earlier, so I had a mini breakdown. Here we go, quick, behind that comfort zone. Oh, fuck, here we go. Sup, bro? You know what's up, brother. Gold daughter. Damn air conditioning. Come inside. So stop banning guns. Screw the schools. Oh, wow. And then there will be a no more social security. You know, it's only 7 a.m. Sans, you are not helping. Stop talking. My sister and wife keep stalling. They're both horrible hoarders. Hey, take it easy. I've gotten a ton of work done today. We even got hot air balloons. Sans, come on, you're smiling. You're f***ing sad. Someone should fucking kill you. Then they should burn the body. I love threats. Wow, you sound like you're really working yourself. Okay, you can come out now. Parent link thread parent. Okay, who the hell are you? You ought to get going. I'll grab you by the neck. Then I'll thump you. It'll be a firm thump. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We'll get going. Actually, hey, please don't thump me. Hate to bother you, but can you do a favor for me? I have a huge crush on this guy named Aqua. I want him naked in a hot tub. Then I'll tell him about my life. You need to see a dentist. Oral health is important. So he's f***ing gay. Oh my god. The convenience of that lamp still fills you with such joy. University of Ohio. Gameplay footage. I'm gonna go and I'm gonna take a copious amounts of drugs so I can forget everything that I just read. I'll see you guys next time.